xPortal is here, guys, so let's jump in and let's have a look on this brand new application what everybody on multiversX is expecting for very long time. So once when we're jumping in, guys, in the top left corner we see our avatar, also close to it we see our hero tag. If we go a bit more down, we see we have in this moment 4 buttons: wallet, track, cards, swaps and NFTs. Let's take it one by one very quick, guys. In the wallet, in the main page, we're gonna see how much money and how many e-gold we have in our account. A bit more down, guys, we have our button send, receive, buy and earn. But the more important buttons what most of us be waiting is coming a bit more down, guys, and that is these 4 buttons, and the most important one is chat with friends. For my perspective, I waiting this button for very long time. I don't want to say the rest of them is not important, but personal for me, guys, this chat with friends is very important. So if you want to try this function on xPortal, guys, you see there very clear my hero tag. Take my hero tag, guys, and text me to test this xPortal brand new application. We have to test it, right? Alright, guys, if we go a bit more down, we see our tokens, we see what type of tokens we own it on our wallet, and of course what type of NFTs we have, and in the end we see our activities on the wallet. Okay, if we go to the next button, here we have track. In this track, guys, we can create a portfolio. I create one portfolio. I don't add nothing for now on this because I just make it. It's the second time when I open the app and I want to share all my thoughts with you. Alright, another button, guys, is cards. These cards, I'm sure all of us we waiting for a very long time, and I'm sure all of us we want to get one sooner we can. To be honest with you, I'm in same position with you, so I'm gonna go join the waiting list and I will try to get one faster I can. Another function very important, guys, is swap function. Before you used to go in exchange, Maiar exchange, you have to do all the X exchange, you have to do all these things what is be a bit uncomfortable, but now you can do all this swap in Maiar, in xPortal, and all this is gonna be a lot easier. Also, guys, we see now we have the button of NFT where we can be able to purchase our NFT straight away through our wallet. So, guys, this is the new app what we waiting all of us. I'm sure this app in the future is gonna change a bit the face, but for now it's looking like this, and for my opinion is looking really good. I'm very curious to know your opinion about this app, guys, so let me know in the comments, please, what do you think about this app, if it's looking better now, if you prefer the old version or you wanna test it all this new feature on the app. Thank you very much. Until next time, I wish you all the best.